Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Alethea and I am in with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I get this toned down glam neutral eye look. That's what I'm calling it. Toned down glam neutral eye look. I think it's very pretty. I think it's very sultry. I think it's one of those looks for when you don't want to go all out, but you want to have that nice feminine touch about yourself. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then please stay tuned.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright guys, so I do appreciate you coming back for another video. I do hope you will give this video a thumbs up. I do hope you will share it across all your social media websites and leave me a comment below to let me know what you think and if there are any videos that you would like to see right here on this channel. So once again, thank you so much, and until the next time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.